I'm Andy Green. This is Hollywood Guitar Shop. We're in Hollywood. I can't talk. Can't do it. Can you hang on? I'll find some glue. I was able to get a job on 48th Street, New York when I was very young. I met all the famous people. The Rolling Stones, B.B. King, all those guys would come through there. So why would you want to do anything else? We're a guitar repair shop in Hollywood, Florida. We've been around here for about 15 years. We service all stringed instruments. Any type of guitar repair that you could imagine, we do here. We've been doing it longer than anybody, and our motto here is do no harm. So we do the best thing for the guitar all the time. My dental issues started, mainly when I was losing molars in the top, and it was noticeable when I was talking to people. I was constantly hiding my face and not wanting to smile, and especially not wanting to talk about anything dental with anybody. You can't eat with dentures, and that you don't get nutrition.
When I see Andy going through these dental issues, my heart breaks. I wish that we could do something to fix it. I wish that he didn't have to go through that.
It's really hard. It's the most challenging thing I ever did in my life. Just I want to go back to normal. That's what I'm most looking forward to. This is a disaster.
My plan for Andy is to strategically place 4 dental implants in order to support a brand new set of teeth, otherwise known as an all-on-4. I'm so excited to see Andy get his smile back. This is the kind of case I live for, and there's nothing like seeing them smile for the first time. It's always a beautiful moment.
Can I see? Can I see? Check that out. Your turn. Oh my God.
That's your teeth. Isn't that amazing? So happy for you, man.
Sorry. Thank you guys so much.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
For sure.
Thank you so much.
If anyone deserves it, it's you.
Since I've had the surgery, I haven't stopped smiling for a minute. I find myself looking in the mirror quite a lot, looking at my new teeth because they're so beautiful. I smile all day now. I missed smiling. I'm glad I get to do that again. The all-on-4 process is painless, it's quick, and it gives you your life back in one day. These are just like my natural teeth. This is just like the way I've always been. This is what my face is supposed to look like. This is what I've been missing for so long. I can eat again finally, and I have teeth. I look in the mirror now and I recognize myself. And also the teeth are amazing. They look great. Because I haven't been able to see myself in the mirror with teeth in probably almost 2 years. Coming to that journey's end when you finally got your teeth, that's very emotional. It was for me.